Do you wake up feeling groggy, sluggish, or just plain tired? No matter how many hours you sleep, you're not alone. Most people reach for coffee first thing in the morning. But what if I told you that coffee might not be the best choice for real, lasting energy? In fact, there's a simple drink, backed by science, that can boost your energy, jumpstart your metabolism, and leave you feeling refreshed, focused, and alive. You don't need energy drinks. You don't need pills. You just need the right ingredients. And a morning ritual that works with your body, not against it. In this video, you'll discover exactly what to drink after waking up to energize your body naturally. We'll explore what happens inside your body after a night's sleep, why hydration matters, and how one powerful morning drink can transform your energy levels in just 7 days. Let's dive in. When you wake up, your body is in a fasted, dehydrated state. You haven't had food or water for 6 to 8 hours. Your organs are just rebooting after a night of rest and repair. Here's what's going on inside you. Your cortisol levels spike naturally to help you wake up. Your kidneys are filtering waste accumulated overnight. Your brain needs hydration to function and think clearly. Your cells need energy, but not the crash and burn kind. What most people do? They drink coffee right away. But here's the problem. Coffee is diuretic, makes you lose more water, raises cortisol even more, which can cause stress and jitters, and doesn't actually hydrate your cells. The solution? Start your morning with a hydrating, energy-boosting drink that supports your body's natural rhythm. Morning Energy Elixir. Recipe. This simple drink combines water, electrolytes, and natural boosters to awaken your body. Ingredients: 1 glass, 250 to 300 ml of lukewarm filtered water, ½ teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt or sea salt, juice from 1/2 a lemon or lime. Optional: 1 teaspoon of raw honey or maple syrup. Optional: a pinch of cayenne pepper or turmeric for metabolism. Mix well and drink slowly within 10 to 15 minutes of waking. Why it works: hydration first. Water helps flush toxins, supports kidney and liver function, and boosts alertness. Warm water is absorbed faster than cold. Electrolytes: salt. Sodium and trace minerals help cellular hydration, regulate blood pressure, and support nerve function, especially after sleep. Lemon juice. High in vitamin C, supports digestion, alkalizes the body, and stimulates bile flow, helping metabolism. Raw honey. Natural glucose supports brain energy without the sugar crash. Helps stabilize blood sugar in the morning. Cayenne or turmeric boosts circulation, reduce inflammation, and kickstart metabolism naturally. People who replace coffee with this drink, or drink it before coffee, report increased mental clarity within 3 days, more stable energy throughout the day, better digestion and fewer cravings, improved mood and stress resilience, reduced brain fog. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that starting the day with electrolytes plus water improved cognitive function and reaction time more than caffeine alone. Other studies show that vitamin C intake in the morning supports adrenal function, which regulates stress and energy. Recommended for people who feel tired after waking up, those experiencing midday crashes, individuals with high stress levels, anyone trying to cut down on caffeine, people prone to dehydration or dry mouth adjustments. For diabetics, skip honey or use minimal amounts. For low blood pressure, use less salt, consult doctor. For athletes, add a scoop of electrolyte powder or BCAAs. This drink is safe, natural, and effective for most adults, and can become part of a powerful morning routine. Let's recap. After sleep, your body needs hydration, not just caffeine. This morning energy drink replenishes water, electrolytes, and natural nutrients. You'll feel more energized, focused, and refreshed, without relying on stimulants. Best of all, it's simple, affordable, and takes less than 1 minute to prepare. Try it for 7 days and feel the difference. Your mornings and your energy will never be the same. If you found this video helpful, like it and share with a friend. Subscribe to Heal Your Daily Life for daily health hacks. Comment below. What's your current morning drink? Ready to upgrade? Start your day right, naturally.